the fuck ring you? No, well, you thought fucking wrong. So what are you ringing me at this time of night for? Well, you fucking know now. Well, don't be fucking ringing me at this time of night. I tell you that many times. Well, you thought fucking wrong. That's what you thought. You fucking bullshit. What? I'm fucking... Sorry.
I thought you were shopping over your shoes or something and didn't know where it was. Your mom made ask me where it was.
Is that right, sir? You thought that. Man, you are some asshole. How long are you stupid now for, Fred? How long?
31 years.
No, we got more minute. You fucking bullshit. Aye.
Is there some man for that, man?
Right?
Why is he out now?
No, I'm not at no days. No, nothing.
That's good.
Nah, that's right.
Okay, what was something to have for the day?
What's what?
What's something to have for the day for a wee man here? What's a day?
I don't know, he's fucking £60 cheaper than, or 40 or £60 cheaper than the boy that's doing it. Maybe that's for 2 days. £60 cheaper for 2 days. I don't know. Something like that.
What's the 2 days?
Aye, come here. I don't hire nothing out. Only chainsaws. And I don't know what the hire of them is for a winter days, but I know what mine's away this last fucking month. And I don't know how much it is till I add it up. And the she took it away, and I would need to know how much it is by the time I get the fucking thing back. Now, so if you're asking me about higher prices, I don't fucking know. Can you hear me? Can you fucking hear me now, you stupid cunt? How long are you stupid for now? So just you get that into your fucking head. Yes, what?
You saw the chicks already,
No. Hey, Fred, don't act a cunt to me because you're far away from me. See, when you get close to me, that's the time you open your mouth, you stupid asshole. And don't give me no shite until then. Or do you understand that, do you? You fucking asshole.
You listen to me.
And you listen to fucking me, you stupid cunt. I will get the fuck off this phone, you asshole. I'm not speaking to you no more, you ass bullshit shithouse. Get the fuck. How do you end this? I get to